Lane's Orchards.
So bad.
So let's go inside and take a good look around. Come on.
All right, let's go see what's inside Lane Orchards. Oh, that's
There's this
fun.
horse. 50 cents for a ride.
Giddy up, cowgirl.
I'm gonna let Annabelle take a good ride.
Nah, we're not gonna ride for real. She can just sit there. We're gonna go in.
Okay, let's go.
Looks like they serve food here. You guys smell you guys, is that peach donuts?
I think so.
Jams and jellies, and we gotta get your granny some peach jam. Annabelle, is this cool? Alex, what do you think?
It's awesome. So we are inside the building. We walked around a little bit now. These are where the drinks are and stuff.
They got all kinds of stuff in this little shop, don't they? We just found peach honey over there.
Yeah.
We might have to get some of that.
And these are peach holders that you can stick in the ground and put your cups in so that they don't fall down and get sandy.
Flags.
And it's Halloween, and it's almost Halloween season. So,
Your pecans.
that's Maul.
Oh, throw them in the trash. We'll leave them here.
This is mine. Get away from my fritter.
Give it here.
No.
Hey, Alex, what are you eating?
I got peach ice cream. The weird thing is it's hollow inside. Look at that.
Like, it's a swirl. What is this?
Peach tea.
And what's this?
A peach
That's
croissant thingy.
mine.
So we evacuated from Hurricane Florence. Our town was evacuated, right? So we came to Georgia to hang out with Daddy's
Gigi.
family.
Gigi.
Darth Maul's come along. Of course, we couldn't leave him behind. Annabelle. Only Annabelle gets chocolate ice cream at a peach orchard.
Mine. No. And
What's the baby brother doing? He's asleep.
and Gigi.
And Gigi what?
And we are staying with Gigi until the hurricane is over.
Which could be days, so we're in Georgia, you
And
guys.
we packed prepared.
Do what?
And we were prepared.
Yeah, we packed some things. All right. We'll show some more of our fun in Georgia later. Alex.
I did not do that.
Give me that ice cream.
No.
We got a peach pie here, you guys. It's so good. It tastes like a donut with peach filling. I don't know. What is that? Oh, Darth Maul. What is he doing? Are we going crazy on evacuation? Maybe. Yeah. You coming down the slide?
Uh-oh.
Whee! Girls, what are you doing? And is going up the big slide.
Mama.
Hey, come on down, buddy. There you go. Woo!